how to trim, cut, split, remove or join videos on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you trim, cut, split, remove or join videos on your iPhone using your iPhone on editor. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the video whom you want to trim or join, so simply open the photos on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the photos, you'll have to just select the video whom you want to trim or split. So I am selecting this one, and after you select the video, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the edit icon just at the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on the three line. Okay, so from this section you can easily trim your videos. So from here you'll have to just drag it from here, and you can easily trim the video and select which part of that video you want to add. So from here you can easily speed up video, and after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the three dots just at the top right corner. So simply tap on that option. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to go the option save as duplicate. So after you tap on that option, you'll be able to save that video with the duplicate version, so you can easily save that video. And now after you trying to cut one another scene from that video, you'll have to just open that video, and same case, so you can also split the next part on your video. So after you select the video or split the video, you'll have to just again tap on three dot, and from here you'll have to just tap on the save as duplicate. And after you done all of the procedure from here, like you can split more of the videos from here, and from here you'll have to just open that video or add that video on any platform which you want to add. So from there you can easily join these clips on that app. So from there you can easily cut, trim or remove and join videos on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.